Hi Magi's gang, my name is Majojiba, Maji for short. If you're new here, you are welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's always a pleasure to have you here with me. I hope everyone's having a good week so far and you are not letting anyone or anything dim your light, okay? Today I'm going to be sharing with you a very quick and easy way I clean my makeup brushes. So if you're interested in knowing what it is, definitely stay tuned. So you will need a sizable bucket or basin. I like to use the e.l.f. brush shampoo, so if you can get your hands on that, that would be great. Else you could use any other brush shampoo. You will also need some sheets of paper towels and of course your dirty makeup brushes. Okay fam, that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and if you know anybody that would benefit from what I shared in this video, please also share the video with him or her. I'll see you in my next video, but till then, as always, stay blessed and remember God loves you. Bye.